In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation rule in Jira. Whether you're new to Jira or just looking to streamline your workflow, automation can make a big difference by reducing manual workload and minimizing human error. Let's dive right into setting this up. First things first, head over to the Jira website. You'll need to be logged in to make these changes, so if you aren't already, make sure to sign in. You can easily do this by clicking on the Google button and using your Google account. It offers a seamless login experience and is both secure and quick. Once you're in, look at the left panel of your Jira dashboard. You'll see your projects listed there. Navigate to the board specific to the project you're working on. This ensures that the automation rule you set up will be applied exactly where you need it. Clicking on your project board will bring up all the relevant settings and tools that we're going to use in just a moment. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the Automation button. Clicking this will open up the Automation section where we can set up our rules. It's a powerful tool within Jira, enabling you to automate tasks and processes, thereby saving you a bunch of time and effort. Click on Create Automation to start a new rule. This takes you to a setup page where you can customize the automation according to your project needs. Don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first, you'll get the hang of it as we go along. Next, it's time to add a trigger for your automation rule. Triggers define when your automation will occur. Take a moment to look at the list of available triggers on the right-hand side of the screen. Ensure you choose a trigger that aligns with your workflow requirements, such as task creation, status updates, or due dates. After choosing your trigger, you'll want to add a component. Components are actions that occur when your trigger condition is met. This could be sending a notification, updating an issue field, or transitioning a status. Just think about what action would benefit your workflow the most and select it from the options provided. With your trigger and component set up, there's only one step left to complete your automation rule. At the top of the page, you'll see an option to turn on rule. Clicking this will activate your automation, putting it to work as soon as your defined conditions are met. And there you have it, a fully functionally automation rule set up in your Jira project. Automations in Jira can save time and improve productivity by handling repetitive tasks with precision. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this.